Welcome to my underwater art kingdom. I am Princess Murda, and today we have a splashy, magical mission. We are going to draw the beautiful Rumi from K-pop as a magical mermaid. Waves wand. Look at her gorgeous purple hair and starry tail. But look at these two giant secret shells. Our drawing has the power to unlock two real mermaid dolls. A super cute Chibi mermaid and a glamorous Barbie mermaid. Which ocean team are you on? Kay Chibi Mermaid Drawing. Let's sketch our K-pop mermaid star. We start with her crystal crown. She looks like the queen of the ocean. Now, let's draw her long, flowing purple ponytail. Look at this beautiful mermaid tail twisting so gracefully with a big, pretty bow right at the fin. Can you trace the curves of her tail on your screen with your little finger? Let's swim along the lines. Our Mermaid Rumi looks so beautiful. I love drawing mermaids. Time to add some ocean colors. Coloring. Pink. Blue. Almond. Pink. Lilac. Blue. Green. Purple. Pink. White. Vibrant purple for her long hair, and a mix of beautiful pink and magenta for her top and waist ruffles. Pink. Yellow. Wow, look at the fin. Let's place bright yellow stars all over it. She is glowing like a true K-pop star under the sea. Give me a thumbs up if you love these colors. Sparkle. Our Mermaid Rumi is fully painted, but she needs some magical pearl sparkles to open the secret shells. Help me create the sea spell. Rub your hands together to warm up the magic. Transformation. And blow some pixie dust to the screen. 1, 2, 3. Blows. Wow. Look at all those shiny white stars and snowflakes glittering all over her hair and tail. The magic is ready. Let's open secret shell number 1. Oh my goodness, look at her. It's the real Chibi Mermaid Rumi doll. She has the cutest, biggest blue eyes, lovely snowflake earrings, and her little green tail is so sparkly. Look at that pretty pink ribbon on her fin. She is the most adorable little mermaid in the sea. And now, let's unlock shell number 2. Clim, wow! Look at the stunning Barbie Mermaid Rumi version. She is so elegant and tall. She has beautiful star stickers on her face, and her long tail looks like high-fashion mermaid couture. Both transformations are absolutely breathtaking. Our underwater dress-up was a smashing success. Bestie! Now, I need your royal vote. Which mermaid doll stole your heart today? The sweet and cute Chibi Rumi or the glamorous Barbie Rumi? Leave your comment below and I will give it a big shiny heart. Don't swim away just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical princess stories. See you there. Bye-bye.